Originality comes from how you see things and a little bit of magic.
We all have this opportunity to create things in a completely different way.
We are shooting an amazing collaboration with Microsoft Surface, Adobe, and the great Kiana Clay.
We're out here creating some really awesome content, which includes all my sports and Fernando's creative, surrealism.
When we talked for the first time, we were super connected. The starting point was her sports, and from there, see how we can show that in a more playful way.
I lost the use of my arm racing dirt bikes when I was 12 years old, so I'm constantly having to figure out how can I do this with one hand. Microsoft Surface has empowered me to make my sports gear modifications.
Microsoft Surface and Adobe helped me push the limits. The pen and the touch screen connect my ideas with the program.
I hope people are able to see sport, see the world in a different view.
See life in a positive and a magic way.
Get creative and just go.